Hello viewers, myself Harid Pranesh from Department of Food Technology. The unit I am going to take is about post-harvest engineering, and the topic I am going to take it is processing of major oil seeds in ghanis. Introduction. For thousands of years, fats and oils such as sesame, mustard seeds and chopra have been found an important ingredient in preparation of food in India. Fats and oils, it contains triglyceride and they are essential and important macronutrients in our diet. India is cultivating a wide range of oil seeds like groundnut, mustard seed, sesame, safflower, linseed, Niger, castor seed with different agroclimatic conditions. Processing of oil seeds. The oils and fats they are usually stored in seeds or fruits and other parts of the plants. The oils and fats they are required to be taken by breaking out the cells in which the oil is stored and removing the solid materials which are redundant. This extraction it can be achieved by pressing or squeezing the seeds of fruits or dissolving the fatty substances by a solvent. The important unit operations involved in oil processing are storage of oil seeds or fruits, cleaning, extraction, refining, filtration, packaging and storage. These are the six steps which are involved in unit operations in oil processing. First one, extraction of oil. This is the first step in oilseed processing. For extraction of oil, they use mechanical expellers and solvent extraction methods. These mechanical expelling methods include ghani method, hydraulic press and expellers, and as for solid extraction method, they use hexane, which is a solvent in which they are used in oil to extract more amount of oil. First one, ghani method. What is ghani? In many countries, a large rotating type of system known as ghani is used for oil extraction, particularly in India. A ghani, which is also known as chekku or coal, it is a motor and pestle device which grinds oil seeds into fine particles and extracts the oil from it. Ghanis are used extensively in the Indian subcontinent to process castor seed, sesame seed, chopra, and groundnuts. Mechanism. The oil seeds processed in the ghanis are normally neither reduced in size nor cooked prior to their crushing. Heat is developed during crushing. The rise in temperature of the seed mass is appreciably very low, which provides an insufficient heat treatment to oil seeds. We add 4% of the water to these oil seeds for hydration of proteins, which helps in releasing more amount of oil during crushing. After crushing, the oil seed cakes are obtained from ghanis, which contains a high percentage of oil of approximately about 12 to 14%. These cakes are used in solvent extraction plant in which the solvents like hexane are used for further extraction of oil. There are two types of ghanis. The ghanis which are powered by animals or motors is called power ghanis, although it is done manually. The motor in this method, the motor is fixed firmly in the ground and the pestle rotates the oil, in which the oil is released by friction and pressure and runs out of a small aperture as the base of the motor. A typical one bullock ghani can process up to 40 kg of material per day. In the case of power ghanis, either the pestle or motor is fixed and the other is rotating. Power ghanis are of two types, wooden type ghanis and metal type ghani. Power ghanis are usually operated in pairs and have a typical capacity of 100 kg per day. The extraction efficiency is generally greater than animal units. An oil-rich seed such as sesame seed or groundnut, it yields about 5% less oil in a ghani than in model expeller because of the insufficient pressure. In this picture, you can see both two types of ghanis. The number one is bullock ghani, in which the bull rotates and the piston is fixed and oil is extracted. In the second, it is a power ghani. It contains both wooden and metal type. In the picture, you can see a metal type power ghani. Alright viewers, this session is completed. Thank you. We will see the remaining in the next session.